Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change sharing permissions for files and folders on your Google Drive. So I've got my Google Drive open here and I'm looking at a folder that I'm interested in sharing. All I have to do is highlight the folder or select it by left clicking it, and then you're going to see some options at the top of your screen. So here I'm going to click on the first option, which is share, and this should open the sharing options. So here I have it set so that anyone with the link can view, but you can also change this by clicking on it and setting it as restricted or anyone with the link. And then you can change their level of control, whether they can view, comment, or if they have the editor tag, they'll be able to organize, add, and edit the file so they can upload more files into the folder or remove files and change stuff like the file names, etc. etc. So you can also add specific people with specific emails using this uh, this text field at the top. And you can also click on the bottom at the bottom left to grab the link and be able to share it. If you use the text field here at the top to invite specific people, they're going to show up, their email is going to show up underneath yours here, underneath the people with access section. So this is also a similar process if you're using Google Docs, for example. So let's say I open Google Docs and then I have, let's say I have this file that I'd like to share. I'm going to click on file and share with others. Remember that these are documents that are also saved onto your Google Drive. So the process is going to be very similar. So that's how you can change your sharing permissions, your file sharing permissions in your Google Drive. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.